Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I came up with the sixth part of RRB nursing exam preparation. I choose the important questions which not only ask in RRB but also in various nursing entrance exam like AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, ESIC, CHO. Okay, and in every question series, I include 5 to 10 questions regarding general knowledge and maths, so you get exact idea about what type of questions are asked in exams. Okay, so let's start our today's session. Okay, our first question is, person of a AB group are a universal accepted because AB group have a no antibodies in their blood. So B is the right answer. Okay, AB blood group have a no antibody in their blood. Then O blood group is a universal donor, especially O negative, because they have a no antigen in their blood. Okay, then A blood group have a A antigen and B antibody, and besides B have a B antigen and A antibody. Okay, so this is about blood grouping system. Okay, universal recipient is a AB group and universal donor is a O blood group. Okay, next question. The salivary gland secrete saliva which contains the enzyme. So here our right answer is, it contains the enzyme of ptyalin. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Extrapyramidal symptoms are a side effects of. So here our right answer is, EPS is a side effect of antipsychotic drug. Okay, so EPS include mainly 5 type of syndromes like acute dystonia, in that uncontrolled muscle spasm mostly seen over a face, tongue and neck. Then Parkinsonism, which include the symptoms like rigidity, tremor and bradykinesia. Then the third one is akathisia, which is the restless and irresistible desire to move around. Okay, then neuroleptic malignant syndrome, which include the symptoms like unstable BP, fever and muscle rigidity. And last one is a tardive dyskinesia. Okay, tardive means the late involuntary painless movement, okay, of the face and upper limbs. Okay, so this is about extrapyramidal symptoms. Okay, and the drug of choice for a EPS is a diazepam. So this is a also important question. The drug of choice for EPS symptoms is a diazepam. Okay, next question. The amount of ORS, oral rehydration solution, to be given after each stool for a children less than 24 months is. So here our right answer is, maximum amount is a 50 ml to 100 ml. Okay, and another important question from the ORS, that ORS is not used after 24 hour. Okay, we should discard the ORS solution after 24 hour. Okay, next question. The nearest planet to the sun is. So here our right answer is Mercury. Okay, nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. Next question. Retina in the eyes act as. So here our right answer is, retina in the eye act as a film in the camera. C is the right answer. Next question. BCG vaccine is a given for the prevention of. So BCG is a used for a prevention of tuberculosis, TB. Okay. Next question. The possible cause of a retention of a urine include except. So here our right answer is drug like albendazole, which have no role in a retention of urine. Okay, another factor like urethral obstruction, then surgery and trauma, and the decreased stimulation of muscle bladder, which leads to a retention of urine. But drug like albendazole have a no role in a urinary retention. Okay, next question. Which of the following is the largest digestive gland in a human body? So here our right answer is, liver is the largest gland. Okay, next question. In older days, when the refrigerator did not exist, it was the customary to boil milk twice or thrice in a day to prevent it from becoming sour. The reason why? So here our right answer is, to killing the lactobacillus that convert the milk into curd. Okay, so lactobacillus bacteria help to convert the milk into curd. Okay, next question. Kala azar also known as. So here our right answer is, Kala azar also known as black fever. Okay, Here white plague. So tuberculosis also known as white plague, and Monday fever. So Monday fever, it is also known as biocenosis, okay, which is a one kind of occupational disease. Next question, which one of the following is listed as a fundamental right? So here our right answer is right to freedom of a faith. D is the right answer. Next question, the price of 10 chair is equal to the 4 table. The price of 15 chair and a 2 table together is the 4,000. So find out the total price of 12 chairs and 3 table. So this is a question from the maths, okay. Let's solve it. Okay, let's assume that the price of chair is X. So for chair it is X, and for table we assume that the cost of the table is Y. Okay, so here's statement that 10 chair is equal to 4 table. So is equal to 4 table. Okay, so here we can write that y is equal to 10 by 4 x. So y is equal to about 5 and 2x. Okay, so y is equal to 5 by 2x. Okay, then here they mention the price of 15 chair and 2 table is a 4,000. Okay, then here 15 x plus y is equal to 5 by 2x is equal to 4,000. Okay, so when we calculate it, we get the answer of 20x is equal to 4,000. So x is equal to 4,000 divided by 20. Okay, so x is equal to 200. Okay, so here we get the amount of cost of chair. Okay, then the question asks us the total price of 12 chair and 3 table. So here x is equal to 200. So y is equal to 5 by 2x. Okay, so y is equal to 5 by 2. That means y is equal to 500. Okay, so here we get the value 5 is equal to 500 and x is equal to 200. Okay, so here question asked for 12 chairs. 12 chairs means 12 into 200 plus 3 table, 3 into 500. Okay, so here okay, so by the last we get the answer of 3900. So these are the total price of 12 chair and 3 table. Easy, right? So here our right answer is C. Okay, next question, who is the president of India? So here our right answer is Sri Ram Nath Kovind. B is the right answer. Next question, the effect of aspirin do not include. So here our right answer is reduce the bleeding tendency, because the aspirin it increase the bleeding tendency. Okay, next question, which of the following are a 4 basic type of tissue that the body contains? So here our right answer is body contain the epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscles and nervous tissue. Okay, so A is the right answer. Next question, which is the process of assigning the specific duty? So it is called delegation. D is the right answer. Next question, which structure act as a wire of a telephone in the body? So here our right answer is nerves. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question, in India, which of the following state has the highest number of national parks? So here our right answer is Madhya Pradesh have a highest number of national park. B is the right answer. Next question, what is the symbol of element gallium? So here our right answer is Ga is a symbol of gallium. Okay, so B is the right answer. Next question. The establishment of a personal relationship and affection takes place in the stage of group dynamic is termed as, so here our right answer is norming. Okay. Establishment of a personal relationship and affection takes place in a norming stage. So there are mainly 5 stages of a group dynamic. First one is a forming, then storming, then norming, then performing, and last one is the adjourning. Okay, so these are the 5 stages of a group dynamic. In a forming, then storming, have a member start to communicate their feeling but still view themselves as an individual rather than the part of team. In norming stage, people feel the part of team and have a one common goal, and performing it perform toward the achieve one common goal. Okay, so these are the stage of a group dynamic. Next question. What are the immediate side effects of electroconvulsive therapy, ECT? So here our right answer is temporary memory loss and confusion. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. The real executive of an Indian government is, it is the president. A is the right answer. Next question. HML analysis means, here HML is the type of inventory control method. Okay, so here our right answer is HML is a high, medium and low estimate. B is the right answer. So there are mainly 4 to 5 type of inventory control method. Okay, first one is the ABC method. ABC method is also called as always better control. Okay, so ABC method is based on item based on their annual consumption. Okay, and second one is the FSN. So FSN means fast moving, slow moving and non moving. Okay, so it is a classify based on the quantity and the rate consumption. Okay, third method is a VAID, that is vital, essential and desirable. Okay, so VAID is a classify according to importance of a particular product. Okay, then fourth type is a HML, that is high, medium and low. So it is about cost, high cost, medium cost and low cost. It is based on the cost of a product. So these are the some method of inventory control management. Okay, next question. Antipsychotic drugs are prescribed to decrease the psychotic symptoms by, so here our right answer is the main mechanism of the antipsychotic drugs, it block the action of dopamine into the brain. So C is the right answer. Next question. Which AV block is also referred to a Mobitz 2? So here our right answer is second degree AV block. It is also known as Mobitz 2. Okay, second degree AV block means it is a failure of conduction system below the level of bundle of His. Okay, so this means the right and left branch is not conduct the electric impulses and ventricle does not receive the electric impulses. Okay, so there are mainly 2 type of second degree AV block, that is Mobitz 1. Okay, and it is also known as a Wenck-Banker. Okay, and second one is a Mobitz 2. There are mainly 2 type of second degree AV block. Okay, next question. Osmotic pressure and acid-base balance of a body tissue are maintained by, so here our right answer is sodium is the electrolyte that maintains the osmotic pressure and acid-base balance. Next question. Which is the most suitable position for giving the enema? So here left lateral position is the most suitable for giving the enema. Next question. Which department issue the PAN number? So here our right answer is Income Tax Department issue the PAN number. Okay, next question. Which of the following is a term as a fetal blood vessel lying over the internal os in front of the presenting part? So it is known as vasa previa. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question. Facial palsy is also known as, so here our right answer is facial palsy is also known as Bell's palsy. Okay, which usually occur due to the damage of 7th cranial nerve. Okay, then Erb's palsy it is the paralysis of arm. Okay, then clump palsy means the paralysis of forearm. Okay, so here facial palsy, it is known as Bell's palsy. Next question, an individual expressing his failure and difficulty by blaming the others is known as, so it is known as projection. Okay, these are the type of defense mechanism. Next question, in which condition the projectile vomiting is seen? Here right answer is in pyloric stenosis. The main clinical features of pyloric stenosis is projectile vomiting. Next question, the maternal mortality ratio is expressed in a term of, so here in a term of 1 lakh live births. Next question, which drug is preferred in a urinary and genital infection? So here our right answer is norfloxacin is preferred in a urinary and genital infection. Next question, the lack of oxygen in a tissue is called, so it is called hypoxia. Okay, this is the right answer. Next question, which is also known as ascorbic acid? So here our right answer is vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Here vitamin H is known as betotin. Okay, and vitamin A is known as retinol. Next question, which is the basic of ABC analysis in inventory control? So ABC, it is categorized by the annual consumption value. B is the right answer. Next question, which one of the following is a process of urination resulting from the voluntary and involuntary muscles? So it is called the micturition process. A is the right answer. Next question, which is the noted therapeutic communication technique? So here our right answer is automatic response is not included in the therapeutic communication process. Okay. Next question, which sampling could be effective during the sampling frame is a difficulty to identify and research? So here right answer is snowball. Okay, this is the right answer. Next question, which is the macro mineral that the body needs to work properly? So here our right answer is calcium. Okay. Next question, which one of the following is a major cause of postpartum hemorrhage? So here our right answer is main cause is a atonic uterus, which leads to a PPH. Okay. Next question, what is a Bacillus calmette-guerin? So BCG is the type of live attenuated vaccine. Okay. C is the right answer. Next question, what is the renal threshold value of a glucose? So here our right answer is 180 mg per dl. Okay, D is the right answer. So what is the renal threshold? Renal threshold is a maximum concentration of any substance that can be reabsorbed by the kidney. Beyond this concentration, substance gets excreted in a urine. So here renal threshold for a glucose is about 120 mg per dl. D is the right answer. Next question, which one of the following is an example of a risk for infection is in a nursing diagnosis? So here our right answer is risk nursing diagnosis. C is the right answer. Okay, so there are mainly 4 type of nursing diagnosis. First one is the actual nursing diagnosis. Okay, like sleep deprivation, and then risk diagnosis, which include the risk of infection, then the health promotion. Okay, health promotion diagnosis, and the fourth type is a syndrome diagnosis. Okay, so there are mainly 4 type of nursing diagnosis. Next question, which cause the Klinefelter syndrome? So here our right answer is XXY, because in Klinefelter syndrome male have a extra X chromosome. Okay, usually men have a XY chromosome, but in a Klinefelter syndrome men have a extra X chromosome. Okay. Next question, the 3-tier system of a Panchayat Raj was recommended by, so here our right answer is by Balwant Rai Mehta committee. D is the right answer. Next and last question, the sick test is done for a diagnosis of, So here our right answer is sick test is a use for a diphtheria. Okay, A is the right answer. So here we finish our today's question series of a most important MCQs regarding various nursing entrance exam like RRB, the AIMS, ESIC, JUPMER, NIMHANS. Okay, I hope that you all get these all questions, and still have you any query, then feel free to ask in a comment box. And if you get the benefits, then please share with your friend.